We're starting out our adventure on our travel home to Ohio by taking the Amtrak train from Needles, California to Columbus, Ohio. And our train didn't leave until about 12:45 a.m. Here we'll show you a few of the stops as we travel along the train that they make as we travel along the way. Some of the stops are similar to a Greyhound bus station stop, but some of the stops were pretty cool and some of the scenery was pretty nice. When they say they're gonna make a quick stop, they mean a quick stop.
You've got 2 seconds to jump off.
You stop long enough where if you jumped off, it's somebody to jump on. And now we're back moving. These trains don't mess around.
This is a little cafe area. You get chips, sandwiches, coffee. So we got a little sandwich, coffee cake, and coffee. And we're coming up here. This is the observation deck. And we're going to sit here and enjoy our breakfast.
We're going to have to turn the volume up on super high because we're not going to be able to hear you.
Did you sleep well last night?
Oh, I slept wonderful.
Woo! We stopped here we stopped in Albuquerque for a stop. They have an hour stop here, so we got off to get some fresh air. Well, what a night.
It's an experience.
I slept. David didn't do well.
Yeah.
But the chairs are pretty comfortable. They recline all the way back, and they have a little thing for your legs, so it's interesting.
Yep, so.
But it's an experience.
It's an experience. It's something you go try, check out. It's not too bad, but you know, it's definitely not what we remembered from years ago. No. We were looking for the experience we had when we took the train from San Francisco down to San Luis Obispo years ago. Being able to go sit in the dining car. They had white linen tablecloths with china, and you could sit up. Well, here, unless you reserve a sleeper, you can't even eat in the dining room. You have to eat in the snack bar. So, hey, you got to learn as you go along. And
we brought our cooler.
And we're learning that that's how it is. But we were smarter than the average bear. We did bring food and snacks and water. So we're not going to go hungry, not going to go thirsty. But you don't get the luxury of sitting in there in the dining car and having all that good stuff. So here's the train here. All the way. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
I was trying to hide.
Down there. So we'll keep you posted. Anything else come up cool? I guess we'll try to show it to you.
Yeah.
All right. See you later. We just made another stop on the train, and we're in Las Vegas, New Mexico.
Never heard of it.
Never knew there was a place. So we're learning a lot of new places as we travel along.
Yes, we are.
So here's a look out the window. And the stop is right over there out the window. So
And it's almost like the Greyhound bus stops.
Yep. A lot of stops very similar to Greyhound bus stops. So
some with no place to go in there, like we left out of Needles, there was we had to stand out in the cold.
Yep. So we'll keep you posted. So we came back here to the observation car, and they have tables, so you can come back here and eat. The dining cars are through there, and you're not allowed to go up through there unless you have a sleeper. And then there's Dan, Glenn, and them back over there. So we're gonna sit up here and have some dinner. So
Nice view.
check out the view.
So should be a delicious dinner by the window.
So we're gonna snack on some of the stuff we brought in that bag and that bag. So we finally made it here to Chicago, where we had to change trains. And this is the view of the beautiful Chicago train station. We was able to do a clothes change, grab something to eat, then back to the train. We finally made it home to Ohio, where we were greeted by our son and daughter-in-law and got the chance to visit with them, as well as our daughter-in-law's parents who were here from China. So we were able to help out with them a little bit and enjoy some visits. So we survived the train ride. We got us a couple nights of good rest, and then we ended up with a blizzard. It's -6, -7, -8 degrees outside in Ohio, and we're going to show you what it looks like outside. So stand by for this.
And yes, we're out in it. We probably have no business out here, but going to help a friend do a Jeep lift. Heated garage, but praying all the way out here on the road.
This is definitely a Knowles Blessed adventure.
Yeah, it has been. So this is how it's looking right now as we're driving. It is so cold. It's probably got, what, about 4 inches of snow?
Yeah, probably. Well, in some places it's not very thick, but we got a lot of drifting. But probably in some areas, like back where our son was probably about 4 inches. We're looking out here, some of these fields out here. It doesn't look like it's as much. But
That's true.
I think it's because it's getting blown across pretty good.
And it's not supposed to warm up
Until we leave.
Isn't that crazy? So we made it here, and they are working away. Gonna give this little baby a lift so she can go off-roading. And I'll get to visit with my Cooper, my wonderful, wonderful doggie I love. And my dear friend Adana, who's so faithful at watching our Knowles Blessed Adventures.
Yep, she is.
Here you can see finished project with wheels installed. So we, as you know, we rode the train here. But after 3 days into the train, and my eyes hurting so bad from not being able to sleep, you see now we're in the airport, and instead of 3 days back, it's only going to be about a total of 8 hours. So
Longer than that?
No, the whole day, about 8 hours
okay.
by the time we get done. So we'll keep you posted. That's if we don't get, something else happens. So
we have faith that we'll
yeah,
make it.
we'll be back in no time. Yeah, we'll be sleeping in our bed tonight. All right, see you later. We are on here. It's moving. So after completing our 2 flights for the day, we finally made it back home to our RV. And boy, what a sight for sore eyes. And we're so glad to be home. We decided that if we would ever take the train again, we would do it in luxury and just get a room or a roomette and enjoy the wonderful adventures of being on the train. So if we'd like to wish you guys a happy new year and a blessed new year. Thank you for supporting our channel all last year and years before, helping us grow. Continue to share it with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed, please push that subscribe button and be notified when we post our next video. And thank you for watching Noel's Blessed Adventures.